Alright, people. Welcome back to another live wire review. In this review, I'll review two tune. You understand? Spice tune. Who sing it? And Fabian, I think I Mr. Water in name. Yeah, Prison Water. That's what in name. So, a youth, I don't know this a youth, you understand? In the Fabian, and he make a tune what this Tamili, Popcorn, Vibes Cartel, and Spice. You understand? In a tune, and Spice took it up on herself to respond to the tune. You understand? And you know, it will cause a big controversy in the dancehall. Everybody might think of Alkaline singing because the brother sound just like Alkaline. You understand? In the beginning of the Spice tune, you hear how him sound like Alkaline, and then you hear Spice come in. Me have to tell you so Spice tune wicked. Me I tell you, the two tune them wicked. You understand? Me get two tune them part cover. You understand? Me get two tune them part cover. You understand? But let's get into the review, people. Alright, people, part cover. Yo, me get the Spice tune and Fabian Vendetta tune, part cover. Yeah, and two tune them shot, the two tune them turn up. Alright, so me will make you hear a little bit of Fabian tune. In the beginning of Spice tune, you hear him in my cuss out Spice, and then you hear Spice respond to it. So, alright, let me play a phone.
None. You should have brave up like big pussy spicy. Where you chat up our mass, I'm in a teacher class.
I will sing it.
Yo, people, the youth a sound just like Alkaline, you know. Well, me can't say just like Alkaline. I'm very similar to Alkaline, you understand? Because Alkaline have a lot of, have a lot of pattern. You have a signature pattern that me not think Fabian can copy. But you know, him sound very much like Alkaline, and this is the reason why Spice probably answer him, you understand? Because Spice don't know who sing the tune, you know, if Alkaline sing the tune, why he want answer him, you understand? So, let me go in more.
Ready to kill the whole blood. Red lipstick in me heels and me berita. Ready fi kill the whole blood clot vendetta. Them never tell us say me bad like a trendsetter. Me a go mince your body fine like a typewriter. Smile with your fuck you and then me bust your throat. Blood around body a skin like a ram goat. When you go talk about me hole that's a wrong coat. Me pussy tighter than your body where you have a float. Me see your blood a splash, my row a flyer, she's a dash. Remember you run left, punash and run go take a body wash. Baby me pop off, me lash and shoot off your moustache. Bullet your suck pussy lip where you have up on that ash. He burn you through me said the world boss, the boss, your prison.
Yo, people, Spice not easy no blood clot. Me I tell you, yo, Spice not easy. Yo, Spice not easy. Yo, she wicked, you know. She a wicked artist, yeah, man. She talented. You understand? Me like her flow, yeah. So the flow, yeah, sound like a Vibes Cartel, a twisted Vibes Cartel flow. You understand? A twisted one, a sick Vibes Cartel flow, people. Yo, I like the tune, man. She go and answer everything in one verse. I tell you. Yo, let me go in more.
And him still a teach you in a the class. Pussy blind, put in back your contact lens to rascals. I run the world from your inner pampas. He burn you through me, said the world boss, the boss. Your prison and him still a teach you in a the class. Pussy blind, put in back your contact lens to rascals. I run the world from your
Yo, Bumbo Clad again. Yo, she wicked. Me like that part of the tune. You understand him? She say, yo, a Gaza around the world, you must be blind. If you put back your contact lens, he might tell Alkaline to put back your contact lens in, because I'm blind. Boy, me I tell you, yo, she wicked. You understand? Me like that part of the tune, yeah, because she's twisted up to a Vibes Cartel flow. You understand? This sound like a flow that Vibes Cartel, a brand new Vibes Cartel flow. Cause back in the 2009 and 8, Cartel have a different flow around, probably around, you know, around them the time they know him change it up around 2009, you can say 2010, you understand, him change up in flow. Actually no man, 2011, nah sir, yeah, around them the time before him get arrested, him change up the flow. You understand, him started the flow that was Spice I do. You understand? Tell me people in I comment them if you think when him change up in flow. Cause I remember Cartel used to have one different flow. In Vice used to sound different. I know him sound a little bit different than him used to sound back then. When time used to be in Alliance and then him switch over and then him start Gaza Empire. In the beginning him have a different flow. Alright, remember going more in that tune.
Send for the crocodile, them rise the alien. Me no care who sing me stab up Fabian. Cocos bag full of bullet, coulda full pavilion. Guns pa me ends, for couple million. Roll out the artillery, call the battalion. AA-12, them can't find your skeleton. Mince up your body, fine, chop you like a skeleton. Make your last out a sea just like Gilligan. He burn you through me, said the world boss, a the boss. They a prison and him still a teach you in a the class. Pussy blind, put in back your contact lens to ras. Cause I run the world from your inner pampas. He burn you through me, said the world boss, a the boss. They a prison and him still a teach you in a the class. Pussy blind, put in back your contact lens to ras. Cause I run the world from your inner pampas. Cause I run the world from your inner pampas. Cause I run the world from your inner pampas. Cause I run the world from your inner pampas. Pussy blind, put in back your contact lens to rap.
Alright people, yo, I like that tune, you know. That tune one good war tune, you understand? Fabian tune is a war tune too, you understand? Me I tell you, Fabian tune war a good tune, you understand? But me like that tune, yeah. In that tune she call up Fabian name, you understand? Him, she diss up Fabian in another verse, yeah. And she said she no care who sing it, you understand? She just a go feet, you understand? So like you don't know say, you know, the tune wicked, you understand? And you know, when I first see the tune, Fabian tune, I first hear Fabian tune, you know, man, the man are going, you know, and the man says some, I mean, and it sound just like Alkaline. I mean, I say, yo, Alkaline, he smoke some big spliff today, because the man are going on a different level, you understand? In level sick, in flow sick, in flow up on a different thing. So, me I say, the man up on a different thing, man. I mean, I say, alright. Alkaline in the tune. When me hear who gonna respond. Tamil most gonna respond because I'm this up Tamil in the tune. But later on, me come on CMR TV. You understand? Me respect that channel there too, by the way. You understand? Me go there and the brother said, no man, this one brother was sound just like Alkaline, fake Alkaline. Mr. Blood Clot. No people, no. I can't be Alkaline. I can't be a fake Alkaline because the tune wicked. But then no, I chill back a little bit. And me hear Spice come out. I say Blood Clot. I say yo. I say pot cover to Ross God. I say people, I say pot cover. I tell on the people. Yo, the tune sick was Spice though. You understand? I say Blood Clot. That girl are talented, yeah man. You know, underestimate her because she's a female. She's talented. You understand? I like her, you understand? Spice sexy too, no? Yo, I love sexy girl, yeah, man. She's sexy in a blood clot. Me, I tell you, Spice sexy. You understand? Big up yourself, Spice. You're sexy. But, yeah, you don't know. But me, I said that tune turn up. And Fabian tune turn up. But, boy, people, listen. Subscribe to the channel. Like that video, yeah. And tell me what you think about Fabian unsigned for Alkaline, you understand? Why am I stepping at the war for Alkaline, you understand? And you know, and I sound like Alkaline or thief Alkaline flow. Tell me if I'm a thief Alkaline flow. Because I'm a thief Alkaline flow, he might take it too far, you understand? You know, imposters no make up his own thing, do him own thing. I mean I tell you, but listen to some of Fabian tune them and he tune them good. You understand? Him it sound like a youth that can make it. You understand? It sound like a youth that can make it. But again, people, subscribe to the channel, like that video, and leave a comment below. Alright, me soon. Peace out.
Right now, you know, in the music business, when you're doing one thing, you have to keep modernize yourself because as time goes by, things and times change. So you got to learn to manipulate, adapt, and move forward. So without that, there's no way you can just stuck to one thing and think you're gonna elevate in music or majority of the things in life. So that is what I actually did. I manipulate and adapt and start working with new things and what is actually going on now in both dancehall and reggae. People can't say anything, you know. They're going to say manipulate Alkaline Vice or copy Alkaline Vice or whatever they want to say. I don't really care or respond. But Alkaline sound is actually like a new sound, just like when Vibes Cartel came out with a sound and person manipulate style and pattern and to work with what's going on right now. Just like a cell phone. People make cell phones every day, and when a new cell phone come out, alright, so if you realize this is what the era of the time is going to be, that's what people is going to work with. So you have to make sure you're over on that side or on board. So that's how you're going to keep up with society or with life in general. Remember, you know, this is what people say. So as people say, I do sound like him. I don't hear. Just like some people tell me I look like some people and I don't see it. I don't hear it. I try because, remember, I'm a singer, you know. It's just like when I sing, people say, whoa, you sound like Sanchez. And I'm like, really? Seriously? Come on, man. Because Sanchez's voice is weird different from my people. No, you sound just like Sanchez when you sing. Now I'm a DJ. People say, yo, you sound just like Alkaline. I'm like, I'm joking this. I did a song called True, based on my life story and what is going on in my life and how I want to relate it. I didn't want it to relate it in a singing way. I want to relate it so I can bring out the aggression and what is really going on based on how I was feeling. The title on YouTube come out as Alkaline Team Vendetta 2016, Fabian Alter Ego Truth. It's clear. It is clear. It's clear. Alkaline Team Vendetta. That's what I'm repping. I'm not aware of that. I'm not aware of the team telling or saying that. Did Alkaline came out and say Fabian is not repping for Team Vendetta, or is it something that people is saying? I want to know because I've not gotten that response from anybody in Team Vendetta. But I'm telling you this. Despite even if me and him personally did not sit down and have a conversation, I'm not saying that we didn't, but I'm gonna say this too. I can support anybody who I want to support, and if I want to support Gully, I can get up and say it's Gully I'm representing for. I'm my own person. I'm free to do what I want or what I want to represent for. It's just like if somebody want to represent truth and who want to represent for righteousness, they're free to do what they want to do. I'm representing for Team Vendetta. You understand? And I don't have to come out and tell everybody that me and Alkaline sit down and hold a conversation and say, yeah. I don't have to do that. Alkaline doesn't have to do that either. You understand? We are our own being. We are free to do what we want to do. People can always talk, you know, and people will always talk. But I don't have to come out and say, oh, yes, me and Alkaline sit down on chair and drink whiskey and drink wine and reason and say, oh, yeah, Fabian is going to be this and vendetta, that and that. I don't have to do that.